Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thirsty Thursday. So we're celebrating happy hour, having a few drinks. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love drinks, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Okay, so not only are we celebrating happy hour, but this weekend we're going to be celebrating Father's Day. So I thought, let's make something for my husband, something that he would like. So what he drinks is, he used to drink the Angry Orchard and now he drinks the Stella, I think they're pronounced Cider, but it's a cider nonetheless. And he's kind of really doesn't drink too much of the Angry Orchard anymore. So I thought, what can I make with those? And I looked up a couple of recipes and then I found out he didn't have any left in the fridge. But then I remembered I did have some apple cider vinegar from the ham that I made last week and I definitely need to use this up. So I thought we'll use this recipe that I found online. And it is called an apple cider old-fashioned cocktail. So I guess it's similar to a regular old-fashioned, which I've never had. My girlfriend says they're delicious though. So that's what we're making today. And it called for bitters, and just so happened I bought bitters a few weeks ago because I see a lot of drink recipes that call for them, but I have never used them. And so they had aromatic and they had orange, and I didn't know which one to get, so I got the orange. And so hopefully that works, because it doesn't really say in this recipe. But anyway, it calls for 2 dashes. I guess that's a dash. It also calls for a teaspoon of sugar. So it says to do this in a glass and then stir it. Then you add like your liquor and your apple cider. And then you put the ice cubes in. And I thought, well, that's kind of silly. Like, you need to mix it with the ice cubes. You need to make it cold. So I thought before I put the ice in here, I'll mix those together. And then that way it'll kind of get that sugar dissolved. I'm guessing that's the reason that they did it that way. All right, and then we need 3 ounces of bourbon. So here's what they had at the store. Brown sugar bourbon. All right, so that should be 2 ounces. And 1 more ounce. And then we need 4 ounces of apple cider. I wonder if you could do this with apple juice too and just maybe put in some spices. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some ice cubes to this. That way it'll chill it. But that way that sugar did dissolve first. Okay. Give it a shake. And we'll strain it out into our glass. And then it says to garnish it with an apple. I think the red one would be prettier. I don't know. So we're just going to cut off a slice. I should have looked up garnishes, like apple garnishes. Like, I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it. Probably not. That doesn't look real pretty. That's okay. It's all about how it tastes, right? It reminds me of like a hot toddy, I think. It's real spicy. Not spicy, like hot. But it reminds me of like something you would drink in the fall. But it's cold. I kind of like it though. It's different. I do think that's something my husband would like though, because he really likes, like I said, those cider drinks. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think this is good? I keep thinking it's not really for me, and then as it goes down, like the aftertaste is like really good. Like that was refreshing. I might put, I was going to say some more apple cider in there because I don't like it real strong. But I'm afraid if I put more apple cider, it'd be like way too, the spices be too heavy. But all in all, it's not bad. I don't know. The hubby's not here. I'm going to have him taste it, see what he thinks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink. Bye.